So several months ago, I attended a charity event that was held to raise money for people who are struggling with substance abuse. And when the president of the nonprofit got up to speak and opened his mouth, I knew instantly that we as the audience were in trouble. His message was actually pretty fantastic in that he was telling stories about people who had overcome incredible adversity and addiction under really, really tough circumstances. The problem was that the way he looked and the way he sounded when speaking was putting just about everybody in the audience to sleep. Now, it's a really common thing for speakers to think that they can rely on their content, on their message to engage, to encourage, or even inspire their audience without giving so much as a thought to what their facial expressions look like and what their voice sounds like when they are speaking. Hear me on this. We tell our audience how to feel about our message with our face and with our voice. A poor speaker can take amazing content and make it incredibly boring. And a great speaker can take really, really boring content and make it fairly engaging just by altering their facial expressions and vocal sounds. So if you are someone who is tasked with, say, delivering a whole lot of data on a regular basis in your professional environment, I'm going to be honest with you. If you look bored when delivering it, your audience is going to automatically assume that what you're saying is boring and inconsequential to them. Now, in my courses and coaching, we spend a good deal of time and energy practicing both physical and vocal techniques that serve to engage an audience, no matter the content. If you truly want your audience to take your message with them, you're going to want to learn how to do exactly that. I'll see you next time.